Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse with dairy milk. First, gather your essential ingredients, including 1 cup of whole milk, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin. Next, ensure all your mixing bowls and whisks are thoroughly clean and, if possible, chilled. This helps achieve a better texture. Finally, set up a double boiler to gently heat your milk mixture, preventing scorching and ensuring even cooking. Now, let's create the mousse base. Start by blooming 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin in 2 tablespoons of cold water for about 5 minutes. This softens it. Gently heat 1 cup of whole milk with 1/4 cup of sugar in your double boiler until the sugar fully dissolves. Remove from heat, then stir in the bloomed gelatin until it completely melts. Finally, slowly whisk 2 egg yolks into the warm milk mixture, ensuring a smooth, rich base. Next, we'll add air and lightness. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip 1 cup of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Be careful not to overwhip it into butter. Once your milk and egg yolk mixture has cooled to room temperature, gently fold it into the whipped cream using a spatula. This preserves the airy texture. Finally, fold in any desired flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, for a delicious finish. Your mousse is almost ready. Carefully spoon or pipe the mixture into individual serving dishes or a large bowl. For the best texture and flavor, chill the mousse in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, allowing it to set completely. Before serving, you can garnish it with fresh berries or chocolate shavings. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.